I sure do enjoy me some boxes, but you may ask why. Josh, why do you enjoy the boxes? Because I usually don't know what's in them, but it's always Pez. So much fun. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, tips, and tricks on how to close stuff without using tape. Any and everything down below. Now then. Ooh, that's a mess. All right. Let's see what I have. No tape on bubble wrap! We have one! Yes! All right. Oh, we have a double down. Double down where the P up here at the top goes down. P up at the top goes down. Made in China. All right. Oh, that's a thin foot there. Oh, here's a thin foot Hong Kong. Toes all bent up on it. That's a shame. Focus. Thank you. All right. So what we want to do is we want to inspect our Charlie Brown. Oh, the writing is so small on it. Oh, but we do see on the name Charlie, it does say I-E. You want to look for them. Sometimes they say Y, and sometimes they'll be blank. All right. We have a Dr. Skull. Oh, his head's floppy. That's caused from the broken head spring. And here we go. Oh, this is one of my favorite versions of this dispenser. So he has removable eyes, but a fixed nose, fixed ears, and it's a whistle. You ever heard one of these before? Yeah. But yes, this one has removable eyes. You also see them with painted eyes. But this is the earlier version. Really do enjoy this one. We'll be on a made in Yugoslavia stem. Huh, how about that? Let's check out. Very cool. In case you wanted to see what inside of the whistle looks like, it's that little flapper piece that makes the little whistle noise of... Panda, your whistle isn't very good. We need to work on that. Need to teach a panda how to whistle. That's what we're going to do. So until next time...